If you're on the hunt for a hot new pair of headphones this Black Friday, you really can't go wrong with a bargain pair of Sony's WH1000XM4. Available in both silver and black. Order right now and you'll save $100 and pay just $249.99. That's a great price for a pair of headphones that already punched above their weight at their normal price. Whether you're looking for some headphones to drown out the drone of the office or need something to listen to your streaming service of choice, these Sony headphones have the features and quality you need. They feature industry-leading active noise cancellation technology and sound as good as you'd expect from something with that Sony logo on the side. Pick up Sony's stunning WH1000XM4 headphones today. Sony WH1000XM4 headphones, $100 off at Walmart. Sony's excellent WH1000XM4 headphones offer the amazing noise cancellation of their older siblings, but somehow better. That's mind-blowing in itself. Packing battery life of up to 30 hours from a single charge. These headphones can be plugged in for just 10 minutes and offer as much as another 5 hours of battery life. It's fair to say that your battery will run flat long before that of your headphones. Still not sure about picking up a new pair of headphones? Our detailed review will change all of that in an instant. We like these things a lot and we're sure you will too. They're undoubtedly among the best wireless headphones you can buy right now, and that's even before you take into account today's $100 savings. Looking for something else? Our collection of the best headphone deals around is the place to be. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more